Urban local body ki election pangthok tabana state asida chawkhat thaurangi thabak sing thinthare haiba wafam kakningai leite adhuba matamda election pangthok na bohona gani haina chief minister Yumnam Khemchand na assembly ki house ta thazaba pikrai Taranithoi shuba Manipur legislative assembly ki tare shuba session gi ngasi aroiba numita towan ba department sigi demand for grant khanabada wafam asi CM na phongdokhibani Opposition MLA Khemchand na urban local body ki election pangthok tabagi matangda pukhalakpa wafam gi paukhum moina chief minister Khemchand na urban local body ki election pangthok nabagi wafam asi anoba lenga asina cabinet mifamda puthoktuna khanaba leikrai Madugi mathakta Chingi Autonomous District Council ADC election pangthokpagi matangda Hill Area Committee da recommendation tharaknaba khangankre haiba wafam house thamki Loinana election pangthokpa haibasi Election Commission of India da depend tawdaba yadaba kharasu lei haiba wafam CM na thamladuna leingak na election gi matam leplabasu nongju tha reservation time leibana house matam lepthokpa yaroi adubo athubo matamda election pangthokna bahona jage haiki Amoromda Housing and Urban Development ki matangda Chief Minister na Imphal Municipal Corporation akonba mafam singi drainage system sing rigid pavement ki makhada fagatna bathabak paikhatli Singzamai ACda leiriba lambi ayamba semli loinana kaisamthong thangmaiban yai school dasu thabak paikhat pahore hairi Lambi sembagi thabak loirabadi drainage system paikhalagani haiki Amoromda West Management gi oina kumjali singani taratarukta paikhat pa hauramba West Energy Plan yakhidre haiba wafam CM na thamnaduna anoba ama paikhanabagi dama donor ministry da lupa lakh 13 humdogi project ama thakre haina phongdokhi